Alright, today's Saturday, November 2nd, and temperature dropped about 20 degrees as soon as we hit November. Definitely started to feel like winter, which is a good and a bad thing. Means snow plowing overtime, but on the other hand, expensive heating bills. Great. Anyway, the project of the day today is I'm going to be moving the welding table, which I'm sure a lot of you have been questioning how I'm going to move that thing because it probably weighs between 1,500 to 2,000 pounds. Here's hopefully the solution. So this is a dump trailer I borrowed from my friend, and he's in the construction industry, and he moves scissor lifts commonly with this trailer, so he kind of has it set up for scissor lifts. So basically what happens is tilt the dump trailer back, and he has these big C-channel rails that hook in the back of the trailer, which basically make a little ramp. And there's also a winch right here, so the plan is to line it up, winch it up, and hopefully everything goes well. I was trying to put the clutch in freewheel, but for whatever reason, freewheel isn't working, so we're just going to have to do this the slow way. So, the gears are engaged, this is to load, and this is to unload. It's going to be a little slow. Just about ready to move this thing out of here. Only one problem. I've always kept all my material kind of going underneath the wood bench and underneath the welding table. So what I need to do now is slide all this material out underneath the trailer to get this welding table out of here. And then once I move the welding table, I got to slide that back in, and I'm going to have to come pick this stuff up another day. No, come to this side. Yeah. I think we're about ready to give it a shot. The only thing I got to be wary of on these casters, these are some seriously heavy-duty casters, but they had these little on-off tabs. In order to lock the casters, you just got to make sure that they don't come in contact with this rail and damage them or break them. Alright, go ahead.
Broken.
You're good. Hey, go. Okay, slow. Keep going. So we're almost completely on. I'm about out of winch there. Just have like another 4 inches to go. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lower the trailer, and then from there I should be able to push it back the last little bit. If not, I'll chain up the table and we'll give it another little winch. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna push this last little bit. Looks like a lot of weight to push. Okay, we're gonna have to chain this up. Alright, so now I have to figure out a way to hold this table in place while I choke up that winch. I do have a tail on this chain, so I think I'm gonna try and find something to put the tail of that chain around, and then we'll take this hook, let more winch cable out, hook it right here, and then we should be good to go. Alright, and we are good to go. That actually wasn't too bad. Definitely helps to have the right tool for the job, which this trailer was. Have a chain holding it down in the back, chain in the front, binder, and then I also have the winch still with a little bit of tension just in case. Should be fine, could always stop and tighten everything down. Okay, I think I have an idea. What's going on? Is that one side stuck? Yeah. You okay? Hang on.
I'm trying to pull it.
On the seal. Okay. Good. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Thank you.
And that is how you move a 1,500-pound welding table with a dump trailer and a little helper. I'm not 100% sure if I like where the table is right now. I mean, it's definitely nice to be able to walk around the back side of this and put stuff up on the shelf. This definitely needs to be organized. I'm still having a little bit of trouble deciding how I want to organize this shop completely. I don't know. I'm kind of liking it the way it is, where I got the toolbox right here. I can sneak in the back here. I'll probably throw the welder back here, the compressor's back in the corner, and then just household garbage is kind of in that cubby. And it still gives me some access to the window out here to see who's creeping down the street. Project number 2 down.